If you want thick, silky, soft, long hair without chemicals, preservatives, or expensive products, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing a homemade oil recipe that if you try it once, will end up making again and again. And the best part, it works not only for hair, but also for skin, dryness, and cracked heels. Now, why this oil works? This oil is made with aloe vera and coconut oil, two ingredients that are extremely powerful for hair and skin. But let's be honest, most people don't like using it directly because it feels sticky and messy. So today I will show you how to turn aloe vera into a smooth, non-sticky oil that's very easy to apply and gives beautiful results. This oil works like a natural conditioner, deeply hydrates the hair, helps reduce hair fall, and leaves hair soft, shiny, and silky. Step 1. Choosing aloe vera. Take 3 to 4 fresh aloe vera strips. If possible, choose aloe vera that has small white spots inside. That's a sign of good quality. Wash the aloe vera properly. Yes, you can buy products from the market, but when we make things at home, they are chemical-free, preservative-free, and the results are much better. If thick aloe vera isn't available, normal aloe vera works perfectly fine. Step 2. Extracting the gel. Carefully cut the sides of the aloe vera leaf. Cut the aloe vera into small or large pieces, it doesn't matter, because we are going to grind it anyway. Extract about half a bowl of aloe vera gel. Step 3. Grinding. Grind the aloe vera gel. Grinding helps the oil turn into much smoother and more effective. Some tiny pieces may remain, that's absolutely fine. After peeling and grinding 3 to 4 fresh aloe vera strips, you usually get about half a cup of aloe vera gel. Step 4. Adding coconut oil. If you have half a cup of aloe vera gel after grinding, then take half to 1 cup of coconut oil. This keeps the oil balanced, non-sticky, and effective. And coconut oil needs no introduction. It has been used since ancient times and is known for strengthening hair and sealing moisture. Step 5. Cooking the oil. Use very low heat. Never increase the flame. Add the ground aloe vera paste. Then add the coconut oil. Slowly, the aloe vera will cook and infuse completely into the coconut oil. Trust me, this oil smells mild, pleasant, and natural. You will love this oil so much that once it finishes, you will want to make it again immediately. Step 6. Cooling and straining. Once the aloe vera is fully infused, turn off the gas. Let the oil cool completely. It may take about an hour to hour and a half. After cooling, strain using a thin cloth or use a strainer and strain twice. Look at the color. This is pure, natural aloe vera oil with zero chemicals. If you want, you can add vitamin E oil, but aloe vera itself is already very nourishing. Pour the oil into a jar. Now, how to use this oil? Apply on the scalp. Massage gently in circular motions. Leave for 40 minutes to an hour, then wash with a mild shampoo, or you may leave it overnight and shampoo the next morning. Benefits of this oil: it helps reduce hair fall, makes hair thick, soft, silky, and shiny, nourishes hair follicles deeply, helps activate new hair growth by improving scalp circulation. It also seals moisture into hair shafts. It helps retain hair length, that means less frequent trims. It soothes scalp irritation and inflammation. It is also high in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Aloe vera repairs dead skin cells on the scalp and works like a natural conditioner. This oil is not just for hair. You can apply it on hands, feet, cracked heels, dry skin areas. Anywhere you feel dryness, this oil will help you. So please comment and tell me, how did this oil work for you? If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your hair and skin will thank you. I'll see you soon.